Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Google has rolled out the early stable update for desktop for Chrome version 137. And there seems to be something strange happening this month because it looks like the early stable, which normally rolls out a week before Google rolls out the version upgrade to the general public, it looks like the early stable is now rolling out for everyone. So it seems that either Google has changed their strategy or someone has pushed the wrong button. Now, my reasons for saying that the early stable seems to be rolling out for everyone is because, first of all, I never received the early stable, and I have received it. And secondly, there are one or two reports doing the rounds online that are indicating this. And thirdly, I've received the update on both my Windows 10 and my Windows 11 device. And fourthly, they've included security fixes in the changelog, which they never do when the early stable rolls out. So because of these four reasons, this is a good indication that the early stable is actually rolling out now for everybody as the release of Chrome version 137. But let me know down in the comments if you have received it. I'd be interested to know how wide this rollout is on a bigger scale. Now, with all of that out of the way, to double check we have the update, we head to our main menu, Help, About Google Chrome. Latest version and build 137.0.7151.40 or 41. Either or means you're up to date on version 137. Now, just to focus on the security fixes that have rolled out, there are 8 security fixes which have been made available. And that's addressing one high severity flaw, and then we get a couple of mediums, and the rest are lows. And the high severity is listed as use after free in compositing, and use after free, as you may well know, that exploit is very common and is patched almost on a weekly basis in the Chromium-based web browsers. So 8 security fixes have rolled out, fixing 8 vulnerabilities, one of which is high. Now focusing on what's new in version 137, and the focus for this release is mainly on security and privacy, and a lot of the updates are taking place under the hood. But just to mention one or two which I think you may find of interest. Now, first of all, there is now enhanced AI-powered scam detection, and this is something I have posted on just a couple of days ago actually, where Chrome is getting more secure thanks to Gemini Nano AI enhanced protection. I'll leave that video linked down below and in the end screen. But a quick recap, Chrome 137 integrates Gemini Nano, which is now Google's on-device large language model LLM, to provide an additional layer of protection against scams, particularly tech support scams. And this is all taking place on your device, according to Google, and allows Chrome to detect and block threats in real time, even those that haven't been previously encountered, by analyzing website content for characteristic scam triggers. And this feature is initially available to users with enhanced protection mode enabled in safe browsing. So if we head back to our settings and we head to privacy and security, click on security, here we go, here's safe browsing, and if you have enhanced protection on, you're more likely to get this than if you don't. And I always advise with Google Chrome, standard protection is on by default, but I always advise changing that to enhanced protection. It is just a lot better for security reasons. So enhanced AI-powered scam detection now available in version 137. Go check that video out if you'd like some more information. It will be linked. Now, something else just to mention is that if you have a managed profile, so as an example, you have a work or school account, according to Google, there's going to be a new toolbar and profile menu customizations that will make it easier for you to identify if your Chrome profile is managed, as mentioned, a work or school account. I'm not seeing that because I am on a personal Google account for this browser. And then something else just to mention, which I have posted on previously, is if we head to our customized Chrome side panel and we click on toolbar, they have introduced the cast shortcut. So you can click on that now, and you have access now to display another screen. So that would be casting. So you can now cast to another device from Google Chrome. Now this is already in the browser. If we head to our main menu once again and we head to cast, save and share, it is placed in that menu. But all they've done is now given us a nice quick shortcut button from the customized Chrome side panel, which allows you now to quickly enable that in the toolbar if you want to cast from Chrome to another device. And if you want to remove that, you can either just right click and unpin, or you could just head back to customize Chrome and turn off that toggle. So that's more or less what I can see is new in Google Chrome version 137. As mentioned, let me know if you're also seeing the so-called early stable, which seems now to be rolling out for everyone. But obviously, if I get any other information, I'll post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.